Hi, welcome back everybody. In this episode today we're going to talk about how to set up a call cycle or a series of recurring meetings within SugarCRM. So within the accounts pane I'm going to select an account, so I'm just going to pick a random one here. I'm going to say the Setco. I'm going to select a new meeting, give the meeting a name, a start date and an end date. In this case we have got a half an hour in between. This is the important bit here, is it's selecting the repeat type. Now it's not always really obvious, so a lot of our customers come to us and they want to set up, say for instance, a fortnightly meeting. Now there doesn't seem to be an option here, so what we do is we select weekly and choose the repeat interval of 2. So essentially it's saying that it's a weekly type meeting repeating every second week. In here I can select the day of the week I'd like it to repeat on, so in this case I might choose for instance a Wednesday. I've got an option here repeating until or occurrences, so you can repeat it until a certain date, or in this case I want to do it for the next 10 fortnights. I'm just going to hit save here. Cool. Now when I go look, so that's created all these meetings. I can see them down here in my meetings tab. They obviously have just been scheduled, they haven't been held yet. Now jump into the calendar, look at my monthly schedule. Here they are on the recurring basis. There we go, every fortnight. Much the same way as if I go into the accounts and I want to set up a recurring call. I have the same options here. So again, start date, end date, repeat type. So in this case, let's say I wanted to do it quarterly, I can select monthly, every 3 months. On each, or say on the first Monday, and repeating for 10 recurrences. And there we go. So that's just a quick overview of how you can set up future events on a regular cadence. If you have any questions, feel free to get in contact with us at CloudTech New Zealand. Thank you very much for listening.